Okay, so a lot of people said, hey, can you show us how to do some deer meat, different recipes, things like that. So today we're doing a surf and turf with venison backstrap. So this is backstrap here. It's been butterflied, nice little steaks, and all I did was put some garlic powder, some pepper, and some salt on here, both sides, and they look amazing. Now this is up to room temperature right here, so we're going to throw this in the sous vide, and on top of that we're going to have some sea scallops, some oysters, some crab, and a nice baked potato. That's dinner. Let's get started. Okay, we're at 128 right now, and this Anova machine, these things are awesome. I'll link it below. I love this thing, been using it for about 3 years now. So we're just going to settle this these backstraps in here real nice. Ooh, that's toasty. And we're going to run those for an hour and a half at 128. Okay, we got these beautiful little oysters here. And now we're just going to, we patted these dry. We're just going to sear off these nice backstraps here. About 30 seconds aside, right over the hot coals. Very nice. Super tender. Medium rare. Man, that looks really good. I like it. Let's try it. Okay. Wow. All I can say is wow. Cody, come here. Now, Cody hasn't had deer meat since he was tiny. Take a bite of that. Honest opinion.
I'm gonna take this up to my room and go eat it.
Nope.
Oh.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Give you a real quick photo here of the surf and turf, and we'll see you next time.